Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, the next interview question, what we have 41st interview question. What is this question is, what is the difference? What is the difference between relational operators and logical? Okay, what is the difference between relational operators and logical operators in Python? First, we need to see which are relational operators, sorry, not logical, equality, equality operators. First, we have to see which are relational operators. Which are relational operators? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are nothing but what? Relational. What about equality operators? Double equal to and not equal to are nothing but what? Equality operators. What is the difference between these? Very simple difference. First, I will demonstrate with the help of example. Then you people will get clarity. Listen carefully. I have one string object is there, sir, like ABC. Can I compare this AB3 with 123? This is my requirement. Sir, can I say ABC is a string type of data? 1, 2, 3 is integer type of data. So I am focusing on incompatible types. Is this less than is supported between these two or not? You can see, sir, less than is not supported between the instances of string and integer. Sorry, boss, I can't able to compare these two. Like that, we are getting which error? Type error. But sir, in the place of less than, I want to take double equal to. Let us see what output we are getting. False. Have you observed? Even though it is incompatible types, it is not checking the content. ABC is equal to 123. No, sir. We are getting false. Content is not verified here. This is nothing but main difference between, okay, so relational operators and equality operators. Let me summarize the point. Relational operators are not applicable for incompatible, okay, incompatible types. But equality operators are applicable for incompatible types. Even though if the types are different, yes, equality operators are going to allow. But even if the types are not same, relational operators are going to raise error message. Like that we have. This is nothing but what is the difference between relational operators and equality operators what we have in Python. Okay, I hope you understood the scenario very clearly. Okay, thank you friends.